Is the bull run over? Bear market has started? This is my weekly market recap of crypto, going over everything that's happening in the market. Let's go over it, man. Let's start it off. So, what is happening in Bitcoin? What is happening in ETH? What's happening in 33? And we can go over our coins, but my coins I won't be talking about. I'll be mainly going over Bitcoin, ETH, 33, and a Bitcoin slash ETH domination. We know what happens after Ethereum takes the domination of, of over Bitcoin. You know what happens after that? All season starts. So right, let's go over Bitcoin. What is happening to Bitcoin right now at the moment? Yesterday, I'm sure I saw it at a higher price point, but today it just dropped. Crazy. But what is next for crypto? What is the next accumulation spot? To me right now seems like to be the perfect spot of accumulation. You can see my coins are down heavily. They're one of the best spot. Why is it that one of a good spot? Why is it a good spot to accumulate? Overall in general, where we are in right now, accumulation pace. But inside the accumulation pace, we're still in a better accumulation to get. So we don't want to be investing over here into altcoins. We want to be investing over here. Act smarter, not dumber, right? We're called smart money, right? So we're still in the post-halving reaccumulation page. You can see markets accumulating. So over here should be the rally of Bitcoin, but we're right now in a weekly order block. I feel like we're in a good spot to accumulate. What is next for Bitcoin? I want to see Bitcoin at least move above this fair value gap. I want to see a candle closure above this fair value gap on a weekly time frame. Why is that? Very simple. As you can see, that will create a weekly order block, and the weekly order block is it's gonna dominate all the way to possibly to this accumulation page over here. You can see to that $52,000 mark, which we don't want to be going down there again. If we go down there again, we're gonna be in drawdown for a long time. So yeah, other than that, this is the next. I just want to see a candle closure above this candle closure above this 63,800, right? That candle closure above that should be some sort of a bullish movement slash. This is a next spot. This is a spot currently to accumulate your altcoins, because you can see this is down. So accumulation time, right? Now let's go to ETH. What is next for ETH, right? What is ETH currently standing on? I feel like ETH right now is in a good spot to accumulate altcoins. We're still in the weekly order block. You can see still in the weekly order block. We're still in the weekly support zone. What we could do is possibly wick down here, sweep out this low, eventually get us a huge movement right back up above these. Possibly, if Bitcoin recovers. If Bitcoin does not recover, we might stay in drawdown. But if it doesn't recover, market might go to this darker area eventually from here. It'll give us some bullish movement. I mean, when the bullish movement happens, it's gonna be a big one, because this right here is the ETH. What do you call it? It's what is the thing called? The ETH. What do you call it? I forgot the name. What was the name of the ETH? Something like that, where a lot of people invest in. Forgot the name. I'll just look it up right now. Actually, matter of fact, let me look it up right now. I'm pretty sure it was not all season. It was, let me see. Oh, ETF. So right here, yeah, we're currently in an ETH ETF that played out a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I think it started at August 1st is when it started off, right? But yeah, we're still in it still looks bullish to me. You can see market pumped up after the news of ETH ETF, and it happened, I think, this 3 days ago or 4 days ago. It's like August 1st, I think, is where it started, or July is when the ETH, ETF played out. So I definitely see this at least giving us more bullish movement. So if the market does not recover, the next stop is here. If it does recover, sweep the liquidity up, possibly give us bullish movement, or possibly not even sweep it out, just go up higher, right? Because still in the support. So yeah, now what is next for the 33? 33 is still in our weekly order block. I still see this accumulating for the next week to over here, eventually making a move out of here back to this high. If we can get a weekly breakup structure to the upside, that will be very bullish, man. I still see this being, if it all depends on how Bitcoin plays out. Bitcoin is really weak. This probably will stay still. It's probably still stay in its accumulation phase. If Bitcoin recovers, it'll probably be above here, possibly a break structure. If it breaks structure up to the upside again one more time, it'll be crazy. Because why? This will probably count as a swing breakup structure, which will be eventually even more bullish because the market already broke structure up right to the upside, right? But that will give it more of a boost to the upside, more confidence, right, into the market. Now we're going to go to over 33. See, Bitcoin is bringing the domination by a lot. Ethereum, Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying, domination. And right now, currently, we're still in the accumulation page. We're still in the weekly order block. I see the monthly order block, slash weeklies breaker block with a fair value gap. We know the SMC is not that strong in like crypto because it's not that strong, but it's hard time from high power, right? So right over here, this weekly order block, it still did breakup block got used, went up, but it failed to overall break through this. So if you can see a monthly, I'm not talking about weekly, I'm talking about monthly here. Why am I talking about the monthly? Because you see daily broke above it. Oh no, never mind. You see how daily broke above it? But guess what? At what time frame did this rip up? What time frame of this order block? Is either we get a weekly closure above this trend line, we're gonna have really strong domination over Bitcoin, or we just won't even fucking get it. So if we don't get a weekly or a monthly close above this trend line, till then we'll still see some bearish movement, or we still see accumulation. Eventually, I do want to see a crash out above this, you know, trend line. There's a huge trend line happening right now currently, huge. So if we can get that domination happening, that would be wonderful. But yeah, that is my weekly crypto market recap. My altcoins, I'm not gonna talk about it this video. Next video probably will talk about it, but this video is just gonna talk about the total 3 and the domination. Thanks for watching.